You just got a brand new Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO smartphone and you find that there is no Game Turbo application on your device. That is one of the most popular applications of Xiaomi smartphones for enhancing the performance of the device, especially while playing games. So what to do in that scenario? I'm going to show you in this video that how you can enable the Game Turbo application and use it on your Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO smartphone if it is nowhere visible on your device. So here we go. So here is my Xiaomi 15. As you can see, there is no Game Turbo application here. If I go to the settings and try to type Game Turbo, you can see there is no Game Turbo. If I try to type Game Space or whatever, it's not coming in any sense. So how to activate it, how to get the Game Turbo on my Xiaomi 15 to play games or to run any other application to get the best performance for it from the Game Turbo. So for that, the method is very easy. All you have to do is go to the Xiaomi's security application, just tap on this. It will be launched. You will find lots of options, apps, settings, activities that you can perform. Just look for the Game Turbo here. You can see there is Game Turbo visible in the common features. It is not here at the top screen, but here if you scroll a bit down, sometimes you won't find it even here. In that case, what you have to do, you need to tap on this edit pencil icon and then add the Game Turbo under the tools, and then it will be visible on your common features option. So right now for me it is showing here. So all I have to do now is just tap on Game Turbo and Game Space is launched here on my device. You can see it's launching for the very first time. No games here yet. You can download them now, go to games or whatever. If you got already some games, you can just tap on this plus icon and just select any of these games. For example, if I want to add all of these benchmarking applications, I can add them under the Game Turbo. If you want, you can change the performance. Let's go with the high quality. Depending on your preference, you can select any of these options. But if you go back from here to the home screen, you can see once again that there is no Game Turbo application being shown on our device. For that, once again, go back to the Game Space here, and then you can go to the settings and then go down, and you will find an option called home screen shortcut. Just enable this. Now if you go back to the home screen, Game Turbo is added on our home screen of Xiaomi 15. So now you can launch it directly from here. And if you go to any of these applications, for example, if I go to enter the benchmark, start playing, tap on agree, you can see Game Turbo is getting activated. And here on the left side, you can see there is a bar coming. If I just swipe it out, Game Turbo widget will be shown. You can just tap on boost to boost the performance. You can select between the gaming mode and the balance. Totally up to you. Game Turbo is activated and you can use it on your Xiaomi, Redmi and POCO smartphone. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.